What is up, guys? My name is Stanley and welcome to 3 Minute Design. In today's episode, I want to talk about something different. I want to talk about productivity, but not in the sense of actually creating, but in the sense of having a break. You see, for the last couple of months, I've been kind of killing myself. I don't know if you can see that, but I've been working every day. I've been delivering on designs or my training, on learning, on reading, or like so many stuff going on. I've been really hard on myself. And I've noticed that I don't really have much time to rest and to kind of chill. And I didn't see that as a problem. I thought that, yeah, it's cool, everyone needs to like find something to do with their time. But what I found out right now, what I just found is that if I put too much pressure on myself, over time, I'm less productive when I actually do something. So I read that very interesting article from Noah. Noah, I don't remember his name, but no, the guy's name is Noah, and he talked about how you should schedule your time. And he said that, all right, there are two ways to manage your time. First of them is to take each block and divide it by the amount of value that you assign to it. So for example, replying to mail is like $10 thing, but creating unique USP is like $10,000 thing. And within that range, you kind of balance out all the hours that you do. And well, he said that, yeah, there are, well, you plan your week. You should actually begin by not planning those most important things that you need to do, but by actually planning the time when you will rest. So first, like many people like us have this problem that they kill themselves, they overwork themselves. So for us, it's most crucial to have this time reserved for rest, and only then plan the most important things, and only after that tackle like less importance. And then if you have some gaps, you can add those mail reading and stuff like that. So I hope this video is a reminder for you, as I guess it's mainly for me, to remember to rest sometimes, to not force myself, and do anything so you can always enjoy your work, because that's the most important thing. If you enjoy it, then you're gonna do it for a long time, and that's what counts. All right, thank you and see ya.